In this Python Django tutorial, we will create an application with a form. You will be able to add a new book using the form. The entered values will be saved to the database. By the end of this video, you will understand what Django models are. I have shared the project on my GitHub account. You can find the link to my GitHub account in the video description. Now let's build this project from scratch together. First, we will edit the URL file. There are 3 URLs. I have added a name to each URL. Each URL calls a function from the viz file. Let's edit the viz file. The viz file contains 3 functions. The book list function displays a list of books. I use the all function to retrieve all the data from the database into a variable. This variable is sent to the HTML file that I will create shortly. The addBook function creates a form when called. I will create the forms.py file soon. If the entered data is valid, it will be saved to the database. The toggle favorite function lets you add or remove a book from the favorites when called. Now I will create the forms.py file. I created a form with 5 fields. Next, I will create the HTML files for rendering. I will create a templates folder in the main app. I will create HTML files with the specified names in this folder. Let's edit the HTML file for listing books. The books list sent to the HTML file is displayed using a for loop. The visuals for adding and removing books from favorites are coded here. Next, I will edit the HTML file for adding books. I create a form and a submit button. There is also another button to go back to the list. Finally, I will create a model. A model represents the structure of the objects in the database. A table named book will be created. This table will have 5 columns with specified attributes. The database we will use is SQLite database included with Django. To make the model code understandable for the database, I will use migration commands. First, I will create a file for the migration. This file contains the details of the columns we specified. Now I will apply the migration. I have created the table in the database. Finally, I will stop the server. Let's add a book right away. I can add or remove it from the favorites. I recommend watching my other Python Django tutorials.